Adobe has finally released its 2026 version of Adobe apps. They have just released Adobe Premiere Pro. So in this video, you are going to find out what are the new features of Adobe Premiere Pro 2026. So without further ado, let's get started. Now when you launch Premiere Pro 2026, you will notice it says only Adobe Premiere and not Adobe Premiere Pro. I don't know why Adobe did this, but if you know, let me know in the comments. Let's see what's new in this. The first new feature is the Object Mask tool. If you hover over it, you will see a preview of this. Now you can easily rotoscope and remove background with this. So simply hover over any object or subject and it will show you red overlay. And once you click, it will select that. And if you miss something, you can press Shift and then draw over it to include that part also. By default, it shows red overlay, but from here you can change to different colors or black and white if you prefer. Now if you go Effects Control, here you will see Unassigned Mask and Object Mask. Now to track the object throughout the video, just click on Track Forward button and it will start tracking it. You can see this is working very fast, even faster than After Effects, which is just amazing. Once tracking is complete, simply drag it on the opacity and boom, it will remove the background immediately. Now you can place any background under it by moving this layer on track 2. The next big update is in the video transitions. If you press Ctrl D, you can apply default video transitions. Earlier, if you have to adjust the length of the transition, you need to adjust it from the Effect Control panel. But now they have provided these handles so you can grab them and adjust the length easily, which is very convenient. Next update is with the Object Mask tool. Adobe has introduced more mask options like Ellipse Mask tool, Rectangle Mask tool and Pen Mask tool. Earlier these were only available as a shape. Now you can draw ellipse over any object. It works similar to the Object Mask tool, but here you get some extra handles or bounding box. You can easily grab any point and adjust its scale. And even feather with this big black dot. The same thing can be done with Rectangle Mask tool. And Pen Mask tool has big improvements. Now you can draw any shape and it has these big points which are now bigger and you can easily modify them to get the desired shape. So masking has become very convenient and faster now, which is your favorite feature. Let me know in the comments. Also check out this video. So thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep editing and unleash the creative in you. Bye.